Hey friends, we've been using the chainsaw to cut down a few of the limbs that had been encroaching onto our roof from the nearby trees. And I wanted to take this opportunity to show you a piece of safety gear that we are using now that really is going to offer some extra protection for our hands, especially when you're using these saws. Now these are VGO chainsaw gloves, and they have an extra layer of protection on the top of the glove that does something special. Now the way this chainsaw protective gear works is this little padded area on top is supposed to come in contact with the blade before your skin. And this area is designed to come apart, get stuck in all the blades of your saw, and actually stop it from moving and getting closer to your skin. It really is important to have that extra layer of protection when you're doing things like cutting, because it can really get bad if that blade touches your actual skin. So let's go ahead and try these out. They have a really good grip. I'm actually using this small little chainsaw. It's just a handheld guy to cut up some of these smaller limbs, but it should give us a good test to see how they feel and work. Yeah, there you go. These things work good. They have a really nice, good, solid grip, extra layer of protection. It's cold out today, so my hands are warmer. And then again, having that extra layer of protection on top is really an added bonus, even on small little jobs like this. So there you go, friends. That's the VGO chainsaw gloves. If you're interested in grabbing a pair for yourself, you can find them right here on Amazon. If this has helped, give us a thumbs up. Then stay tuned because we do a ton of these little product review videos, including tool videos, to help make your shopping experience and journey just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.